So over here you can see that I have a few photos opened up. So I got this image right here, this image, and this image, and in total I have 5 images opened up. So if I want to go around and then see all of them together, then what I can do is I can arrange the layout accordingly. So to do that, you can go around onto the layout section on the bottom, and over here you can see that you can go around and choose all grid. So once you do that, what happens is that all of the open photos, they get arranged out in a grid, and then you can see that now you have access to all of these photos just like this. You can go around over here onto the layout right here and choose other type of layouts as well. So you can go for default layout, which is one image per window right here. But if I were to go to layout and you can go around onto, let's say for example, column and rows, then you have arranged it out in column and rows, but not all of the pictures are sewn together. You can see these 2 pictures, but not these three together. As you can see, they are arranged out in tabs. You can go around and then rearrange this out, as you can see, just like this over here as well. But if I were to go around onto layout again, you can arrange it in column and rows, and then you can arrange it in rows and columns over here just like this as well. Then you can go around, make it all grid to see everything, and go to all column to arrange out everything in column, as you can see, instead of having grid. And you can go around and make all of them rows over here just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and change out the layout of the pictures that is opened up inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.